There's a puppy!
But
Where?
several other very important
Where?
between human beings and animals that you should know about.
Behind that lady with the fat ass. Hey! Yes, I see it! I see it! Oh, I'm not a puppy! I'm 16 years old! Dog! Fuck. Oh yeah, I see. Yeah, but behind that big ass you look like dog, little dog, chihuahua. Yes, like chihuahua.